Nick's gonna be really weird, so guess if you can fight in offices.
Oh my god, but you know what? We went to the ocean. So cold at the beach.
Of course.
Hurry up! Run into the water now so we can get the hell out of here! That's amazing! No, run!
Ah.
You're not a Jonas kid?
Yeah. You're a Jonas kid.
Ah.
Oh my god, you're videotaping.
Oh my god, I'm videotaping. Ah! Christmas presents! Ah! Should I go?
Hey, Nick, is that called India?
No. I need to go talk to myself.
Huh?
Bro. Bubble! Pop!
I'm gonna call you a Jonas kid.
Pop, pop, pop. Oh, I got a balloon. Balloon. I got a bubble.
Hey,
Hey, look, Nick, there you are. There you are.
Look, Abby.
Oh my
Abby,
god. Oh
I
my
can
god.
see your hair.
Oh
I
my
can see your hair.
That's so nice. Look, I can see your hat. I can see your grudge. You're a grudge.
Didn't you get this call from Selena Gomez?
Is that a software? You took a test of Abby.
What?
That's software.
It came installed with the laptop.
Really? What's it called?
Vista.
Cyberlink UCAT.
This is Vista, Mom.
Yeah, this is Vista.
You have to have a camera though. Oh, we're still
Oh, we're still videotaping.
find something else to do.
Oh, those are like the fun mirrors. You should like the
Oh! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my face!
Oh no! Yeah? Look at my hair. Not all the time. Look, it's curling.
My hair.
My hair, oh my god.
Like a boogie bag.
Oh, vibrating.
Well, I was like, dude, I felt that.
Hello, my name is Nicholas.
Come to your planet.
Look at him, Mom. Oh, stop.
Look at him,
Look at him. Oh, I pressed something.
Oh, Mom, can you keep him?
Can we keep him? Oh, man. Boom!
No.
You see, now you gotta go because I think that's gonna fly. That's what to think about. You have a long way home.
What is that?
Oh no.
I'm ready to go whenever.
Oh.
No, you can't keep me. Oh. That's kind of creepy.
Party!
I don't mind having puppy dogs up in my clothes.
Bam!
Hey, Nick, got us big as a
I'm a bomb like tick.
Oh god.
That's your whole class
Oh,
or your
look at the
whole
birdie!
school?
Look at the birdie! Oh, look at the little birdie!
That's my whole class. The whole school's at Panorama.
Welcome to the Twilight Zone.
Freshman.
Bubble! Pop. Oh, you can't see it on it.
Look, there you are.
Pop, pop.
Dude, vibration. Someone's vibrating. That's nice. Someone's vibrating.
Okay, you guys better go to the bathroom because we got a long ride home.
How long is it from your house?
An hour?
2 hours.
Or more. In a tiny car. Tiny car.
You guys better be like
Itty
Wow.
bitty. And I got itty bitty.
Ow!
Where's the yeah?
Itsy bitsy teeny.
Oh, there you go.
Did you say
Itsy
pictures?
bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka